Jim Boy's Kitchen. Folks, Saturday, March 4th, alright, we are in the morning here. If I tell you, Schenectady is covered down. It's a winter storm that's going on right now. That's dumping a lot of snow. Over 1 foot is on the ground at this time. And yeah, it's all wet snow. Yeah. What's up, bro? You having fun with the snow, man?
What?
We're getting over 2 feet this day.
Are they?
Yeah, today.
Too much snow.
Yeah, too much. It's gonna finish around 7 p.m. this evening. Yep.
Diana, huh?
Oh man, look at this. Oh man, we got over 1 foot. This is about 1 foot already
Yeah, I know.
of wet snow. Yeah, and it's gonna fall another
A lot
foot.
of towers down. A lot of lines are down.
A lot of lines are down. This is because it's heavy, wet snow. Look at the trees. Look at the trees, folks. All right, look at this. It's a winter storm warning. Finally, it's here in Schenectady, Albany, the Upstate region, where it's dumping over 2 feet snow today, man. Man, look at this. Gentleman trying to shovel out his way, but it's wet snow. That's the only problem, you know? It's wet snow, brother.
I know.
Yeah, man. So, bringing to you a glimpse of what's taking place. These are the trees right now. And at this point, the snow is sitting down on every limb or branches on the trees, all right? It's very treacherous. Those trees could, with the weight, sometimes they break. This is winter storm, 2023, March 4th, in Schenectady, Albany, and of course the upper upstate region, Saratoga County, which is all covered down at this time. It's already over 1 foot of snow that's occurring right now, that's falling in the Schenectady area, Albany area. Folks, if you gotta drive, take it easy, but no way out to drive at this time. My advice to you right here is if you don't have no place to go, stay home. It's very treacherous right now. As you can see, there is no salt that will assist the situation on the roadway because of this heavy snow that's falling. The snow plow cannot keep up with the activity of the snow that is depositing right now. Folks, advice to take it easy. All right? Winter storm 2023, March 4th, upstate New York, Schenectady, Albany, Saratoga County, Clifton Park, all the other regions, or all the other counties. You could see from the atmosphere of the trees, it's seating on the tree limbs. All right, it's a wet snow that's falling very thick. Yeah. Oh man, it's like a deserted right now, huh? It's like Alaska, you think? Yeah. Gotta be careful, you could get stuck easily with your cars. Yeah. Whoever is out driving, they have to take it easy. This is gonna continue on, estimated until 7 p.m. this evening. Yeah, gotta take it easy. Look at that, folks. Piles and piles, and people are trying to clear off as much snow as they can. Many intends to walk, use their feet today, because it's still falling. Very gray skies. Look at that. Look at the depth of this snow here as this gentleman is trying. It's a wet snow that's, look at that. Look at the depth. It's about a foot of snow right now that's on the ground. Right, brother? Over a foot of snow right now. And it's a heavy, wet snow.
It is.
Yeah, what?
I heard a tree branches go.
Huh?
I just heard a tree branch go.
Wow. Yeah, because the snow is so heavy that it breaks the branches too. Yep. Say hi to the people, man. Yeah. All right, brother. All right, they said to take it easy, brother.
Take it easy.
Yeah. Heavy, wet snow. So this is the, look, it's over a foot of snow right now in upstate New York, man. Yeah. I'm not sure at this time, but might become a state of emergency if this keeps on falling the rate it is falling right now, and estimated to finish around 7 p.m. In the evening, March 4th. If so be the case, well, might be a state of emergency, but it so happened that it's a good thing it's in the weekend, so not much of activities. I mean, except parties. Who wants to party at this time? No one, none. However, it's day to stay home and just be safe. Look at this lady playing around with the baby in the snow.
He's loving it already.
Oh, he's loving it already. Look at this. Say hi, baby.
Say hi.
The people are saying hi to you. Yeah, they're saying she's cute.
Thank you.
Is a boy?
He, yep.
A he. Yeah, they're saying he's cute.
Thank
Oh,
you.
man, look at the snow. We got over a foot right now.
Oh, yeah.
Wet snow, yeah.
It's heavy, too.
Yep, heavy snow, yeah. Yeah.
Say hi.
All right, enjoy the snow.
Have a good day.
Actually, when I say enjoy the snow, it's nothing much to enjoy. It's it's treacherous right now. You can see when this freezes, it's going to be all solid ice. That's the part that's plowed in. See? Oh, man. Got some guys there plowing right now.